Ukrainian drone army helps cleaning the battlefield. This could be anything from BMPs, tanks or transportation trucks, hopefully making sure equipment is taken out for good, leaving a little less for tomorrow. But even if just damaging the equipment more, the cost of a few grenades make the trade-off always worth it, leaving less ability for the enemy to bring back or use against you. But this applies to everything that can be used in the conflict, as an anti-tank guided missile like the M133 Kornet poses a threat to Ukrainian armored vehicles. Giving the opportunity, it's best to always destroy or damage the equipment, as small fragments from a grenade can damage the missile, rendering it dangerous to use due to misfire, leaving less threat for Ukraine tomorrow in whatever Russian equipment is presented for the Ukrainian drone army. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.